Hello, YouTube. It's your girl Mahogany Locks, and today we are tackling all the diets. So we just moved into this apartment. I have to organize this and put all my makeup in here and then here. So that's nice. I have this little setup, but I have to do it. So I decided, why not film a little spring cleaning video? Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Maybe this way. Does this work? Well, that doesn't work. I'm gonna get this truck up at me. Hold on. I got this bin I got from Target, not spawned. Wish it was though. Target hit me up. My number is, I'm gonna put my lipsticks in here, and then I have a few more for highlight, bronzer, all that good stuff. Quick clip of what I'm dealing with here. Let's just show you real quick. All of this, all that, needs to be put away. And I'm the only one that can do it, so here we go. My lipsticks have been missing for a year, and I found them. Does that mean they're all expired? I don't know. Not a real beauty guru, don't ask me. Here's a head. I'm putting all my lipsticks in this little thing, and then I'm gonna put them in that thing, you know? All those lipsticks, and I have so many more because I love makeup. Don't really know how to use it, but I love it. Did y'all know, fun fact, e.l.f. lipsticks, so you can take off the bottom, and it gives you a little sample. I really hope this lighting's not terrible because that would suck. Got all these lipsticks in here. I have to go through these. Like, this isn't even lipstick. Like, this shouldn't be in here. So lipsticks fall out of here. That's, should have thought of that, shouldn't I? Oh my gosh, they just fall out. That sucks. I'm still gonna put them in here until I figure out a better solution. So let's continue doing this, and then we're gonna go to highlights, bronzers, what's up for that, blush, and loose shadows. So let's get going. I'm gonna finish this, and I'm gonna catch back with y'all. We got one box down, it's empty. That's just an extra bag and some trash. But look at, we got the lippies here. I'm separating things here that need to go in different ones. And then I put my lashes here, so I have to figure out what I'm doing. But we're getting close. So this is full of highlights, and I need to make that full of highlights. Okay, highlighters for now are all in here. Hopefully that's all of them. I don't think it is because I see a highlighter hiding right there. So we'll be back to you. Okay guys, I got this really cute container that I'm gonna put my brushes in. But Sigma just sent me a whole bunch of brushes, like a whole bunch. Thank you so much, Sigma, for all of these. So I want to put these cute ones in here so I look like I know what I'm doing. Well, I finished the brushes, brushes that I found. And now I'm sitting here confused. Like, there's so much stuff everywhere. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do next. Does anybody else have a hard time organizing? Comment down below and let me know because I need help. Give me your tips. Give me your good vibes. Because I want to be organized, but like, I don't know. There's a lot going on. There's just a lot of things. Like, what goes with what, you know? But right now the brushes look real good. That's about it. And my highlights and lipsticks, but I found more highlights and more lipsticks, so it's been like 2.5, maybe 3 hours. My bed's falling asleep. I moved everything up here so it's easier, so I can just go through all these boxes below and just start. This is so hard, guys. Like, this whole bathroom, first of all, I don't know if you remember what it looked like earlier. I'm not sure if it looks better or worse yet, but we're getting there. And there's also a Twizzler down there. If I'm a good girl, I gotta eat it. Just kidding. We're getting there, and it's gonna look so nice. All these are gonna be hidden underneath here. Up here, you guys haven't seen this yet. These are all my palettes. I have to figure out a better way to organize these. But for now, this will do because I like all the colors. I don't know how I want to do it. But then I have these racks that I originally bought for palettes, but they don't really look good, so I don't know what I want to do with that. So if you have any ideas on how to make this space really cool, please let me know. I really want to put like a mirror back here or some lights or something to make this like a nice beauty desk table thing because I have my little slidey chair that can go here, but the whole rose gold coppery vibe is really cute. I'm into it. I don't know. Hopefully you guys are liking this video. If you do, hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. Post new videos every Monday. And let's continue. It has been hours, y'all. But look at the progress. Look at feet room. How do they do that? How do the cool kids do it? No. No. We're making moves. Making moves. Making moves. There's a bunch of makeup missing in here. We did it, guys. It has been 7 hours. I think there's some makeup still hiding somewhere. But the final product for now, so my cell phone, I have, this is a giveaway item. Here's a notebook. A diffuser I had, I just wanted to give it a try. Candles, glasses. This is like everyday oils, blah, blah, blah. Not every day, but like some days, I don't know, some setting sprays, perfume. You guys know about the brushes. Then up here, we have all the palettes. I put eyelashes up there. Over here, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. I need more boxes or more thingies to put them in, but this is still a work in progress. Everything's a work in progress, but it's working in progress. Down here, we have lipsticks, bronzers, blushes, highlighters. We have loose shadows and eyeliner like pots. Down there, foundations, nail polish. This is like to carry your makeup out, like carrier bags and some sheet. Masks and to clean your brushes, all right there. So that needs to be organized. I need to get more of these little great things for that. This is glitters, make your ass buckle. And this is eyebrows, mascara, and eyeliners. All this needs to be figured out because they're falling through the holes. But I'm really proud, we made some moves, guys. So if you have any ideas on how to make this better or cuter or anything, or any like mirror type thing to go here, like what should we do for this whole area, please let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me during this long day. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. This was a long day and I need your love, okay? And if you like this type of video, let me know. I mean, I'm just here making content, doing my thing, trying to take you along this journey called life. Love you guys, bye.